you have someone who is in love with you. Okay, this individual is just besotted by you, and they cannot keep away from you. This person needs to hear you speak. They love your speaking voice. You know, they love to see your messages. They love your conversations. You know, they feel like they can never tire of talking to you. This person feels a strong mental connection to you. You know, I feel like this individual feels as if there could be factors that are in the way, such as maybe family. Maybe you live in a different state, town, city. You know, maybe you could come from a different community than this individual. But despite all of this individual is wanting to risk it all. You know, this person wants to sneak for some of you in some cases because they feel this strong soulmate connection to you. You know, this connection goes skin deep. This connection is very Neptunian. You know, Neptune is the planet of illusions, dreams, make believe, magic, and in some cases, deceit. And they feel like they're deceiving themselves sometimes in regards to you, like you're too good to be true. You know, it's almost as if for some of you, they think to themselves that you're going to do something to spoil it. You're going to do something to make them see that you're not the perfect one for them. And the thing is, no one's perfect, but they just feel like you're too good to be true. How can someone be so beautiful? Not just physically, like emotionally beautiful, because you radiate love. And the thing is, this individual radiates a lot of love as well. This person's got big energy, and so have you, you know. And this person does have a very sparkly, shiny, magical aura. And to connect with someone like you is just overwhelming to this person because they never felt like they will meet their match. And for some of you, you never felt like you will meet your match either. This person is a hopeless romantic. This person has a lot of depth. So they may have counted themselves out. They may have felt to themselves that they will never meet anyone that would love them the way that they love. You know, maybe in the past, this individual did get into relationships whereby they felt alone. You know, they were doing all the work, or the person that they were with was physically there but emotionally absent, and they just felt miles apart from whoever they were in a relationship with. And in some cases, unfortunately, they may do with what they had. They felt like it's better to be with someone than be alone, you know. But this person has poured into themselves, and because they've poured into themselves, they are now ready to receive the love that they deserve. And that's why they attracted you, because your love is one of a kind to this individual. They didn't think people like you actually existed, you know. And I feel like this person does have a bit of fears in regards to the connection. They fear that they may not be exciting enough for you, even though this person has a strong magnetic attraction to you. Like, you have awoken this person. This person was emotionally dormant before they connected with you. You have awoken their passions. You know, you have made them see that life is actually for living. There's so many opportunities out there. There's so many places to visit. You're very exciting to this individual. This person finds you extremely intriguing. You know, you're very fun loving. You don't take yourself seriously. You're not afraid to let your hair down, have a joke, have a laugh. You like to dance. You know, this person loves this about you. They feel like you are a vibe, you know. And I feel like there is a difference between the two of you. You could come from different cultural backgrounds. Some of you could speak different languages. And again, this is something that this person loves about you. They love your culture. You know, they love the fact that For some of you, you could come from the same background, but you live abroad and you can speak many different languages. Your person loves this. You know, they love to hear you speak your mother's tongue. It's intriguing, it's enticing. This person feels like they learn a lot from you. They feel like their spirituality has deepened through connecting with you. You know, this person is intrigued by the way your mind works. They feel like you have a mind of a genius. You know, I feel like you coming into this individual's life has broken down some sort of old structure and foundations. And for some of you, you came into this person's life when they were going through many tower moments. And unfortunately, because this person was going through many tower moments, they pushed you away, you know, because they weren't an energetic match to you. And maybe at the time you met, you both were not an energetic match to each other, because there was healing that needed to be done on your part and on their part. But I feel like this person sees you as someone that they want to, I'm hearing for some of you, give the world to. But others of you, I feel like this individual sees you as a person that they want to travel to, especially if it's long distance. You know, I feel like this individual feels for some of you that they can have the whole world with. They feel like you can, I'm hearing that Take That song. You and me, we can ride on a, yeah, I might tag that in this video. But there's this song that Take That, this British boy band, they sung the song, You and Me, We Can Ride. I can't even remember what it's called, but they feel like you and them can take over the world, you know, because they see you as someone that deserves to be put on a pedestal. They have so much respect for you. You know, they feel like you're very ambitious. They feel like you're their match. Like you both could do great things together, you know, and whenever they listen to certain songs, they think about you. For some of you, this person has written poetry about you. They have written a song about you. They have a favorite playlist that has songs that remind them of you. And for some of you, they feel like it will never happen between the two of you. You know, this is just a fantasy. And when they start feeling like this, it's because their insecurities creep in, and that can happen to any of us, right? Because they feel like you are too good to be true. Like, how can someone be emotionally attractive? You know, how can someone be in tune with their emotions? How can someone be mentally, you know, how can I have this mental connection with a person? A mental, a spiritual, um, there's just so many levels to this which overwhelms this person. Notice I paused there because it's just overwhelming. How can someone be so beautiful, so handsome, and so genuine and kind and compassionate and caring and intelligent, and the list goes on, and you know, it's just like, wow. And then they start getting insecure and thinking, but why would they want someone like me? Then they start nitpicking at themselves, and you know, they start feeling insecure, and they start getting caught up in their head as to why it wouldn't work out. You know, if they found out this about me, then they wouldn't want me, and I'm not perfect because they put you on this pedestal, you see. And again, none of us are perfect, but they put you on this pedestal like you're so perfect, you can do no wrong. And you're the type of person that if you swore, right, I'm not promoting that, right, this person will look at you in shock, like, did you just, you know, because they just see you as just amazing, brilliant. And I feel like whenever this person gets caught up in their own mind, they start feeling trapped and talking themselves out why the situation wouldn't work. But this person is called to surrender their emotions, to surrender their feelings, and not be in conflict with themselves, you know, express how they feel, as hard as it will be. Because they see you as their future. They see you as someone that they are going to end up marrying. They are deeply in love with you, and reluctantly they want to give you their heart. but they just don't want to get hurt.